In this video, we will install the 3.5-inch Knobby tires on the Mighty Mini transporter. For this installation, you will need the following tools and parts. To begin, you must remove the standard wheels from the Mighty Mini transporter. Place the Mighty Mini on its side on your work surface. There is one screw through the center of each wheel's axle. Use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw holding one of the wheels in place. Lift the wheel to remove it from the unit and set aside. Remove the screw holding the other wheel in place and set that wheel aside. Rotate the Mighty Mini so that the side with the 2 remaining wheels is facing up. Repeat the process to remove the remaining 2 wheels. The inside of the 3.5-inch Knobby wheel has a hexagonal indentation which will line up with the hexagonal protrusion on the axle. To install the wheels, take one of the 301-12007 screws and insert it into the indented side on one of the brass bushings, and then slide the bushing with the screw end down into the center opening of one of the 3.5-inch Knobby wheels. Seat the wheel assembly into one of the top-facing axles, making sure that it is lined up and slides into place. Hold the wheel in place and tighten the screw hand tight to secure the wheel to the axle on the transporter. Check that the wheel is properly seated and tightened. Repeat this process for the other wheel on this side. Rotate the Mighty Mini so that the other 2 axles are facing up. Repeat the procedure to attach the other 2 3.5-inch Knobby wheels. Rotate the unit so that it is right side up and your Mighty Mini is ready for action. You can contact product support for additional troubleshooting assistance after completing these initial tasks.